Me nah wait for my birthday, drink, smoke, listen music, press play. Thank God for your next day. Enough praise, me used to sleep on floor. Before me reach pan tour, enough time hunger kill me. Sleep and snore, my next meal on shore. Sleep on floor, yeah. Before me reach pan tour, enough time hungry kill me. Me drop asleep and snore, my next meal on shore. Last time me check, still can fly in a jet. Still can find my bread. Still I make nice. How many of them head them things say them here no nice yet? No, just wait till me find the next hit and the whole stadium I say I hit. I hit song. Bad mind friendship you can't quit. My current now short circuit. Me used to sleep on floor. Before me reach pan tour, enough time hunger kill me. Me drop asleep and snore. My next meal on shore, sleep on floor. Yeah, before me reach pan tour. Teach them!
I am here vibing with one of the quiet contributors in the dancehall space. His parents named him Devon Douglas, but we know him as
Angel Doolas.
Father Doolas.
Yes, sir.
All is well, sir?
Respect and manners.
Give thanks, give thanks.
Yeah, you know, a Doolas and me I say, teach them a teach, some little vlogger leech. You hear me? Don't be a bus ride. Make sure you subscribe. Okay? Teach them.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Father Doolas, yes, all is blessed.
Yeah, man.
Talk to us though. Early life, place of birth.
Place of birth, Kingston, Jubilee.
Jubilee.
Yeah, moved our country for about 3 years after that.
Yeah?
Clarendon, to be
Part of
exact.
Clarendon.
Chapelton.
Chapelton.
Yeah. Cupid's perp, then we got Chapelton all age. Yeah. And then we move into town again in 1977. Yeah, people, I want old man. Yeah, we all.
Yeah? 1977. So when you came
Yes.
back to Kingston, where did you reside?
Charlton Avenue in Kingston 8. We get enrolled in Swallowfield, all 5 brothers of us. Yeah. Pass got JSC.
Yeah?
About 5 years at JSC, yeah.
So how well did you do at JSC though?
Well, I say average, because I passed 4 CXC subjects
4.
still out of 7.
So what would have contributed to you not getting more subjects though?
You know, sir, the hard times.
Hard
I
times.
swear to you, mother never have it, father never really have it. And father did so proud, him never even want to borrow some money. You see me? Yeah, so you find some, we have to just go through it. The hungry days, nothing. Poor people life, I saw it go.
Yeah? How many? You said 5 brothers got into JSC.
Yeah, really,
though.
6 brothers of us,
Yeah.
but 5 of us got enrolled when we returned to Kingston in Swallowfield all years.
So in all, it's 6 of you.
Yes. Yeah.
And
6 boys.
everybody's good? Everybody's still around?
No, I want to tell you, so the youngest one dropped out due to violence.
My condolences,
Yeah.
brother. Mommy and daddy still around?
Yes, man. Alive and well.
And them good?
Yeah.
Give thanks. You mentioned...
They're not together, you know, but them
Yeah,
good.
yeah. I mean, we give thanks here. You mentioned earlier, say, hard life. Normally, one of the questions I ask is, what was it like growing up financially, right? But define hard life some more for me, though.
All right, hard life. The typical, on average, 3 days for the week lunch money. You see, but we still have to go to school for the 5 days.
Yeah.
You see me? And dinner sometimes. Breakfast, that was a privilege. You see me? Breakfast never really, you know, and it never really bothered none of us still because, you know, we done, it's like we adjust to it and, you know, say, that's how life goes. And not everybody I have it lonesome, so some of us will have to struggle and overcome.
So after JC, what did you do?
You know, I'm going to find myself in one little job, a wholesale place, because I never have enough subjects to really get the office work, you know what I mean? The jacket and tie and the suit and, you know what I mean? Yeah, so.
And how long did you do that for, though?
About a year, and then I'm going to learn a trade as a machine operator at a cone factory. Yeah. But music was my passion. And I can remember my first day at school, the first day in a school.
Which school at? Because I know one
Cupid's
school.
Prep.
Okay, that's a Chapelton.
Yeah. I did so overexcited that I enter into the school, I sing.
Yeah?
Yeah. I don't remember the song still, you know. But it's a song when I just creating in my brain. Something about school, you know. And the principal, she was so surprised by that. Because she never said that yet. You understand? So she always, you know, pay close attention to me because sometimes it even disturb the class.
Singing, same, yeah?
Yeah. Or doing poetry.
How old were you at the time, though?
4.
4? So from early out, you realize music are your calling.
Yes.
But when you realize, though, that music can be a calling, but you may not be good at it, when did you realize, I have some music in me?
You know, sir, when some people, when I like me, I'm sure some of them don't like me. I whisper around, say, you know, saying bad. And that was like from about 7, 8, 9. You know? I know some of them don't like me because them ride and bust on me head and them way they fight, whoever in a fight and all them things, you know. So, at them same one, I say, no, you know, say him bad, you know, and me hear them, I say, because them never really that far from me, you know. And I one of them moments that when the war out to start with me and them, you know, and me I sing, it's like it just neutralize them.
Yes.
Them nobody want to fight, them just want to hear me do some more and some more, you know.
Yeah, but at what point, though, Doolas, did you decide, say, I have some music in me, I like the music thing, and I'm going to take on music seriously?
All right, when we did a 4th form at JC, we did have a bridging cross, them time I live at Seaview now. We have a bridging cross phase 2 named Al. We always compete each other, you know, because him can do him things. And we just decided to go to a studio. First studio I ever go was at Roosevelt Avenue named Harry Joseph.
As in Harry J?
Yes, Harry J.
Who brought you to studio for the first time, bro? Or you just go by yourself?
Captain Midnight from
Captain
Super
Midnight.
Saint. Yeah.
So how that link the combo for you in up a studio?
I hear me in my corner, man. Me in my corner, I do my thing. And as a selector with Super Saint, him stop, you know, and him a listen. And him just call me and say, my youth, your body now. You know, someone go want some dub plate from you. And, you know, I saw it, the thing set up now.
So you recorded immediately?
No, I want to tell you, I was a nervous wreck, you know. when me see the microphone and the earphone and the studio and the big engineer over there, so well established, them things that get me intimidated, you know, as a new act. You know, a man established, Mr. Leroy Smart over there in the corner, Mr. Coco T, me just start shake like a fridge motor. And the sound I come out, you know. You can hear the nervousness in my voice and it never work out.
Okay, so you never recorded RJ?
No, I'm going to try, but they must say, no youth, you know, so you need to dash something there. I could cover something there. They might not go kill your youth. Nobody in your son ever kill you, my youth. Just do your thing.
So when did you get over that?
It does take some time. We just practice and practice and practice and try to get rid of the shyness, you see me? And, you know, as time go by, I get rid of it.
So when was the first time you actually go into the studio, in a voicing booth and do something, lay down something?
All right, something will come out. Me, Nitikochi, and Killer.
Yeah.
We do a collab.
All right, before we even got this then, because you kind of I go far, you know. How the link up with Kochi and Rodney Forward though?
All right. How me know Killer? Them time that them call him Bounty Hunter, see? My mother said I go buy gas. Me live at phase 2, the gas place there, phase 1. Bounty Killer live next door to the gas place. When me reach at the spot where the gas place there, me see a big crowd. And I wonder, what go on over there, so? Young people, old people, man, woman, all dog there. And this one little youth in the middle, like a counselor. And everybody are listening. Everybody are listening. What am I to say?
How old was he at that time though?
Well, me was about 16, so I guess he was 14. Yeah. And to all me see the people that pay attention to what I say, tell myself so that youth and me want to know him. Me, if I know that youth because him is a leader in the making, you see me? But But we never get to meet him then and there because my mother miserable, you know. When she send you out, you try go
And
forward. Else you got in a problem. So I buy the gas because that's the priority. And I forward back at the yard and, you know, all the time I did it. I say, no, I want to know that youth, you know. But I never get to meet him and to talk to him until, say, about 1990. And it so happens that something bad happened to me. Why me and him get to really talk.
Something you wish to share?
Yeah, I can share it, yes. Violence, gang war. Some man gang me a Christmas night thing where Shabba keep. Shabba always keep some Christmas tree thing.
In a sea view here?
Yeah. And I go to the party, the after party. And some man just gang me and stab me up.
Yeah?
Yeah, man. Wicked. I have to pretend I'm dead for them love me. And I want to tell you, the tallest one will drape me, you know. Him have the longest knife, you know, brother. And I'll know him not push it, you know. I'll know him not go so him just hold it so I look straight in my eye. And I say, no, you know, so I don't want that knife, yeah. And I get some over here, so I get some on my side, and I always have my hand right chest because I know yes, some out there. I don't want a knife in my heart. So I end up get it. See, if you see them scar, you notice you see some scar. And that's how the knife them end up. You see me in my shoulder, because they must stab after me too. I move me there, so it end up all in my shoulder.
Well, you get caught up in a situation like that, though, Doolas.
Peer pressure, man. You know what the thing, man, get to youth. Some are we humble, but the humble not really work some of the time. So we follow the bad one them, you see? Yeah.
So they get some trouble?
Not really, not me, but my friend them. Me not get no trouble, but I meet you know, Quacker, can't catch Quacker, you catch Quacker shot, and that reach me. Me was a Quacker shot that Christmas night. Because a big football competition they go on over DNG the next door.
Yeah, man.
And my friend them and me par with end up scuffle out with some man from over phase 1, which is over Bounty side.
Yeah.
Me no know nothing, because me no got the match.
Yeah.
Him will start the war, bust up on youth head with a DNG buckle, run out of the venue, come on me yard and him not tell me nothing. Night come now, party I keep. I say me I go, because Shabba keep that. Shabba run the place. Me have to go. Me go, and guess how rich song I play when them come stab me up.
You didn't do. What you take man for? Spam, mustard, did you get me back?
I swear to you, me not laugh. I mean, the little Kirk, if I not reading me now, little Kirk play now, the Jack Radix play.
But at the tiger catcher.
And the man them circle me when Tiger song I play.
Yeah.
You understand? I'm just have to just pretend like me dead. Roll over me eye, them time them could have made the white of my eye show. So the one who hold me with the big knife at that me do. And spin over the white of my eye and just let me go, me just fall in the same motion, him let me go, me just fall. And lay down and I watch them with one of my eye, them I shot one. And I watch them and them I say, yeah man, him get it man, him dead. And them take them time, we come out of the party. I saw no, killer didn't have the party too.
Okay.
So him see the excitement and then the crowd start farm up around me. And him see me a grung and thing and ray. And him say, well, you know that you tell me and him big brother par. Because my big brother used to par, you know. Richie, yeah. And thing, two of them born June, two of them are Gemini. So probably that really cost that, you know what I mean? And they make me put me in the car and thing. I don't know if Killer did help because I knock out. I pass out.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So I don't know if him did help, but after that, him check up on me and see if me alright and thing.
So you're hospitalized?
Yeah, I spend a whole week in a Kingston public. I listen Sting in a public. Here when Shabba and Ninja Man at clash.
Jaja. What was the recovery journey like though? Because how many stabs you received by the way? You remember?
7.
7?
Yeah, I'm gonna get 27 stitches
Wow.
in total.
In total?
Yeah.
So what was the recovery like?
It did terribly, but I see worse a patient there. I just use that, you know, as a motivation to say, man, you not to you yet, because see a man there with gunshot in his head. and him still a batter. Him still a try live.
Yeah.
Yeah, for real. A man there about 3 bed away from me. Him forehead bigger than the whole of him head. I don't know if you can imagine that, to what the bullet do him, because it's a wall him sit down on, you know. And a youth just ride up on a bicycle, a jungle, it happen, and just pop it off quick and go so, pow! And the shot goes in him head and lodge. Right here, sir. So, you don't know, it a go swell and swell and swell and swell. So by the time him reach the hospital and them admit him, is a bigger looking alien where I look on. And him attack.
Yeah.
And what him a go do when him get better and rare, but I don't think him they get better you know.
Okay.
But me left hospital before.
What was your mindset though after being stabbed? Almost dying though? Like, was revenge the thing at the forefront of your mind?
Yes. You don't know man, a human being. Me not do nobody nothing. It's a humble youth. You see me? And not because my friend them they do this or do that means say you gotta do me things for that. Because everybody know everybody. You know who do what. You know, so you never need to go that journey there say boy you gotta take it out for me.
Yeah.
You understand? But a life over there, God bring me through it and me give thanks.
How did that situation resolve itself though? What any police got involved, anybody got
You know,
charged?
one at a time, I'm gonna make a statement, but me tell the police them a lie because me never feel like say me should have take that route there. People that pressure me, the big people them in my area, in my zone there, so I tell them say, go report it, this and that rare. Suppose them not finish with you, suppose them want to kill you for real and rare. So that kind of play upon the whole thing. I'm just alright, I'm gonna report it, but I tell them say some youth from road do it and run away. But me know everybody will do it.
And you see them after?
Yeah, even now.
Even now?
But you know, forgiveness, you know the things.
When they say no, you mean like right now?
No,
Yes?
not
Okay,
right
okay,
here.
okay.
Nobody will stop me the day right here.
But that's it. Yeah, so you recovered and
Yeah.
all the killer thing now blending in after that.
All right. A whole heap of little party used to keep in the community. And we always see each other in the party them. Dynamite, Major Wani, General B, Nitty Kochi, you know what I mean? Some other youths, Killer himself. So by reasoning and you know, we share each other's ideas, you know, we kind of start see each other more and more outside of partying.
Cool.
You know, and then Killer and Bali pass my road one day with some figurine.
The general still in the streets also.
Yeah. And I say, you know, say, boom down the might tell me say a studio I do it. But me not feel the studio thing, you know. And I say, you know, say you have to do it still. Because you're one of the brightest future stars we have right now, you know. I'm bad, you know. This little youth, when him take the stage, man, you have to pay attention to what I do and what I say and how I present himself in delivery, like an experienced big artist.
Maturity.
Yeah. Him and Shabba one at the time, go at it. One at the time on a show over Phoebe side. I mean, I tell you, him go hard, toe to toe, as Shabba Lego one, him Lego one, and at the same topic.
Yes.
You know what I mean? So you find, so when we start the jammings now, all right, I tell you, it's like how the rain fall, I can remember like it's yesterday. We end up at studio on Saturday. Killer voice for Uncle T, because Saturday, Uncle T time. Jammings are through the week.
Yes.
So Uncle T was Saturday. And the first song when I record, he asked Killer, you have no more song? And Killer said, you better have more rhythm. You can't ask me that.
Yeah.
Rhythm. And him end up by voice 4 song. And Uncle T said the first in our history, in a film recording history, an artist ever come and studio for the first time and voice 4 song. You understand? When we forward out of the studio now, we're not on a bus fare to go home now. Uncle T never have no money to give it, to take the bus. You know, we have to walk. We go in the studio, bright, sunny, hot sun. And when we finish, rain. Heavy rain. And it dark up just like how you see the place look now.
Yeah.
And Killer said, Doolas said, see this? A blessing, you know. A blessing, you know. You see them 4 songs they were voice. I gotta talk to you, so we don't have to worry ourselves, you know. We're gonna do it, you know. It's gonna reach, it's gonna happen. We a walk.
In the rain.
Yeah. And we walk through the rain, Waterhouse, from Waterhouse, we right down to Moscow, right through Penwood Avenue, come across the big road, so Sea View. Him go film me and me go my way. Wet, soaking wet. Nothing for me not dry. If you want to tell you how the rain stay, we have to walk all it, whole heap of pool. Pool, there's a pool, there's a pool, all the way, all the journey. Because Waterhouse, when rain fall, a Waterhouse, you know, brother. And that's why it named Waterhouse, you know. Anytime rain fall, a Waterhouse, and that's why it named Waterhouse.
At that time, did you record any at all before? As yet?
No.
No, you still not record yet?
No.
So you just go with Boom and Killer?
Yeah.
So all that developed now?
Guess what now? Me did still have this little shy thing about me, you know. And anytime I see a big artist, I always forget my lyrics them. Because I don't want to flop myself. I don't want to make a mistake. And this big giant, I laugh. I'm afraid that that's something there. You understand? Well, I should afraid.
You have a feel for learn still and do that.
You understand? Easy going, but I think it did hard, brother.
Yes.
So that did kind of slow down my thing. And by nature, I'm slow still, you know. Yeah, me's not an athlete.
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm slow, so I just learn fast. Academically, yeah, me learn fast. Them way the pen and paper and thing. But theory, practically, I'm slow.
Yes. So you were around the Killer from the get-go?
Yeah, from 91. 90, 91. Yeah.
When did you know, going to the studio, you get the courage of your voice?
I want to tell you, sir, Killer give me the courage. I swear to you, as a youngster for me, I am say, Doolas, you bother everybody in the yard, what you do?
Yes.
What you do? Sing your song, man. So me and Coach go in at the studio and we sing the collab. Him knows a fat man who was the engineer at the time. Always have tease when a Mark so we nah boss, you know. He must say Coach off key, he must say my voice too light and Ray. We need a big combination for our boss. And that me go out there go tell Killer when I'm done. So the Killer, you know, so me feel like him not gonna mix a song. I said, oh voice a while ago? I say, yeah. And I say, you know what? Give me a Pepsi. Me I go in there. And remember, him not have nothing in his brain for putting at the song. When him going at the voicing room, him find everything.
Which song was that?
A song was say, Georgie Porgy pulling in pie, kissed the girls and made them cry. When the girls came out to play, Georgie Porgy run away.
Yeah.
And Killer going with him thing and yeah, it never really bust big, but it at least it released.
Yeah.
And when I see my name on the record, it's a different thing. I feel different. Now I feel like a real artist. Because my name, they put one something where you put one needle on it and it a spin around so you hear my voice I sing with Coach and Killer.
So you were Angel Doolas at the time? That's
yes.
It? So, but the government name is Devon Douglas. So all the Angel Doolas thing dropped.
Alright, remember I tell you about a place where I work as a machine operator at the phone factory. I sing, you know. I work the machine. I sing. All of the hot current songs them at the time, I sing them. The boss wife come the one morning because she always forward there to check on the workers then before she go where she go. And every morning she reach, and my voice greet her. So one morning when she forward in, she say, every day I come here you're singing. You know you're an angel. So the workforce start calling me Angel Doolas. So I saw me get that name there. Yeah. Big up Acne Cone. I know yourself.
After Georgie Porgy, what next come for the Doolas?
I want to tell you, say, alright, my memory now go line up the song them.
In the order way forward.
Yeah, chronologically, no. But me can pick out some other ones. A song will say, You trickster, you little trickster, girl, yeah, yeah, yeah. Girl, oh, you that tell me say you leave him. Still are you want him messy this evening. Can one girl so lie on this evening?
Wicked girl.
Me
man.
know I fear nothing, not are you reasoning. Why you tell me say you sleep over your mother? Me no ask you nothing, why you even bother? I know your mother pick you up in the Prada. Your alibi, your liar, him is not your brother. You say you love me, but I don't really care. If you want to take bad man for fool, try not bother stay around there. If you love me, you see me, John.
Mad. How well did that song do?
Mad.
A girl, you're wicked.
Yeah,
girl
man,
to
go and go.
still.
Give me a tour in Nicaragua.
Yeah? You alone go or you go with some other people?
Well, me was a featured act. Munga was on the show too, and some other local artists from Nicaragua and some rap artists from America.
And the song is just a vibes or is a real story or
It's a real story, but not my story.
and a your story?
No. Me have a virgin in a Waterhouse where him live with him girl, but him girl she cheat on him wicked. And most of the time him not know.
Yeah,
But him catch her one day a pass in a one vehicle.
yeah.
You see me? So he might tell me the whole of that something there and not knowing says a song he might give me. You know what I mean? Big up yourself, you. Me not call your name. But you know.
Yeah. So, Nicaragua, good experience?
Yeah, man. 2010, blasting experience. Me never know, say, me would have left to see the day was to witness a whole, all right, you'd have say, county
Turnout.
turnout. Then pop down the fence, we separate the runway from the airport. Them to owe them too much. Them wait, brace down the fence, just to see when we step out of the plane and step on the, what them call it, sir? The tarmac.
Tarmac.
I couldn't believe. And who get the show for me never even tell me, say, Doolas. A big thing your song I go on with, you know, him go on like a, him get the show for me. You see me?
But I take the credit for everything.
Yeah.
Yeah.
The money did small too, but trust,
Starting
me
point.
did like the experience. You know, then treat me like king, like me and Michael Jackson.
Yes.
Believe me.
You were there at the genesis of Killer Journey. Yeah? And eventually out of that came the Scare Dem Crew.
Yes.
And
first I did Seaview Family.
Seaview Family. Yeah. And then I know Toddler is not a Seaview man, him come from Waltham.
Yeah.
But him forward the night thing and
Campbell's
so,
Boulevard,
yeah.
him
So what you now do? Normally Doolas, when the Scare Dem argument come up, you hear Kochi, you hear Ellie, you hear Dandemite, and you hear who me left out? Toddler. See?
Never hear Doolas.
And on that you never hear, you know. But them name there come out first.
Yeah.
What would that something there?
Because me did too quiet.
Yeah.
You understand? Me did look, alright, first of all, you know, me prefer write than sing, you know. Believe me, I prefer write the song than sing the song, you know.
Why is that though?
I just the early days shyness, they cause that still. You see me, and me know my voice can't carry everything when me think about.
You know your limitations.
Yeah. You see me, so some songs like for example, Book. Me know say me couldn't deliver that song
You
like
wrote
Killer.
book.
Yeah. Me know my voice couldn't carry the message like how Killer voice carried. Cause remember now, from him said, this one is very classic, you gotta listen.
Naturally.
You understand?
So you're too quiet. So that is why when the Scare Dem discussion come up, Doolas name not too
Yeah, really.
mention.
I'm easily satisfied too. Me not fussy, you see me?
So you don't feel no way about that?
Yeah. Me a human being, brother, what you mean? Me I feel that way, brother. What you mean? Enough time me and Elia for go at it too. Cause Elia the main one for yo, start coaching. Now you do that in the car. Yo, I be how many I carry bridging. Start the money I can't share bridging. You see me? So me always used to back out because I don't want the friction neither. You see me? Me is not a man of conflict. I'm peaceful. You see
But
me?
you never in a Seaview family before, Ellie, brother?
Not really
Not
still,
really?
you know. you'd have say around the same time. Because we used to ride the studio morning time on bicycle, you know. Everybody, you know, have their own bicycle, you know. Till I go car, you know. And then later on, Ellie them go bike. See me scooter. You see it, so not really. You know, I go be dishonest and say, me did that before. You see me?
What is your recollection though of the CVO family formation?
Alright, my recollection, it just gel. Killer as a general, Kochi Doolas as the singer, Toddler. Even determined the dead one at the time.
Yeah?
Yeah. Elephant, Boom Dynamite, Daily Bird, Bramwell. You see me? And I just by meeting up a studio at daytime, and we always have ideas that we share with each other.
Yes.
Me and Kochi, we're a songbird, we're a nightingale in our studio yard. We sing every day. Every day with our studio, we just sing.
So let me ask you a question though. When the thing transition from CVO family to Scare Dem, you were there.
Yeah,
and you were a part of Scare Dem.
Me quietly write and help them build them songs.
So, is it safe to say that many of the hits that Scare Dem release,
Doolas have do with it? Yeah. Yes. And then for tell you those things.
May I ask you the next question I do Doolas? You ever sit down and figure say and think say you don't get enough credit or the credit where you deserve from the Scare Dem aspect of your journey?
Yeah, but it's my fault.
Mostly.
Mostly my fault because I'm too laid back. You see me, I'm never forceful. You see it? Sometimes if I raise my little voice and talk up, you understand, I never used to do that. So things will go by. Me will help a man write all him song, you know, and him not remember nothing about me when the song voice, you know.
So you not get
no
publishing?
A whole heap of that gone. But me did love the music so much that's such a I released that C Factory. That was my, you know, stance.
Out all of the big tunes when Scare Dem release, how many of those songs are you actually on vocally?
Vocally. Well, the background and me. Me do the background.
You mean for all of the songs them?
No.
Okay.
Not all of them.
Give me some of them.
Like, I don't too remember them, you know. As me I tell you, say, true, me not fussy. I not keep them things at the forefront of my brain, you see me? And me never get paid for it, so it's not like say I just cherish that and say that as an achievement. So, I mean.
At one point in time, Scare Dem are the hottest group in our dancehall space, brother. Yeah. Scare Dem all over the place.
Yeah.
Then the thing kind of, yes. Then the thing, I'm not sure if I the right way I'm going to say it, kind of crash and burn on a level.
An ego clash into that, man. I'm not have to go into that. I'm not have to explain, I'm not have to elaborate on it. Ego clash do that something.
Ego?
Yeah. Some man feel like them more than the next man and feel like so them a carry somebody weight because them have more, you know what I mean? Yeah. Them have more influence upon the mass, on the people. You see me? Do the mass, you know what me
So when the thing unraveled with Doolas, what you did there, what kind of role you play and try keeping the thing together? You never business?
Me never make no attempt to keep nothing together because from morning, they don't really take my advices, really, you know. They don't value my advices, you know, because...
You mean the whole group or a particular member of the group?
I'm man so soft and so humble. They don't really ever listen to me much. Then we hear what I say in the moment, but, I mean, after we part 2 years gone, but we own business, I'm not have two members of Doolas tell him, so brother. You know? But it's all good.
What are some of your biggest memories from the Scare Dem part of the thing? Good memories we are talking about.
Yeah. If you watch the man them on the show, them I mash up the place. Even though I'm dead, I should have been a part of the whole action, but I just dead and I watch the whole thing.
You choose for not up on stage or you just
not
never
really.
Get
Nobody not call me and say, Doolas, Ray, this and that. You see it? And when we fly out America for the first time, that in 96,
Yeah.
go watch them time they killer the on tour with Major Christie and Nitty Kochi. I'm go some of the show them. Go up on the stage too with Kochi, help him out with film, like a segment. Them. Yeah. So them thing there, you know. I say, yeah, this is a step I make. You see it.
Bramwell, Daily Bread, Ellie, Toddler, Dandemite. Oh, you and the man them. Everything good with everybody. You and them, that is.
Yeah, mostly.
Mostly.
Yeah, mostly. But as I tell you, say, Elephant did have a like a picky problem. Elephant, he never too like to share the glory, brother. I'm not beat him body though. I just say truth, I tell you. Ellie is a man, him no want to share no glory. You see it? And that did bother me. And that always cost me, you know, to tell myself, say, youth, you see, before the war, step aside. But I get into it and really, cause I not believe in this tribal war, you know. I not do that war or something there. If me for war, I must somebody where out of the whole organization. You know what I mean? You can't do that scuffle there, brother.
If the Scare Dem Crew was ever to reform per se, would that be something that Angel Doolas would be interested in?
Yeah, but I like to see it, just for the sake of say, you know what I mean, the 90s was really the wickedest time, the baddest time in a dance hall, and if them could have really reform and go at it in the late times, yeah, with a new spin.
With you involved?
You know, even if me not involved, you know what I mean, but if me involved this time, I'm going to be more forceful, you see me?
What do you think though is the greatest hindrance or roadblock, hurdle, obstacle in a possibility of the Scare Dem Crew kind of doing some work together again?
The agreement. I don't think all four going to see
Eye to eye.
eye to eye. Somebody I got tilt. Somebody now go want it to happen.
Yeah.
Somebody I got think say them can do without it.
Who that
Them can
person
do well
is?
without it.
I work there, brother. So you
It's
would
obvious, brother.
Answer. Yeah, that's a.
If you talk to Boom Dynamite, him ready.
Me talk to
if you talk
Dynamite.
to Kochi, him ready. If
yeah.
you talk to Toddler, him
Talk to
ready.
Toddler.
Case closed.
Ellie, link up. You were also a member of the Worm Dem Crew.
Yeah.
Was that before, during, or after Scare Dem?
All right. Barky and Wickerman, they need a singer.
Yes.
And forward a jammies. One at a time, I'm alone there jammies, you know.
Yeah?
Yes, in 96. Me alone like a madman. By myself. Everybody gone. You see me? Barky said, Doolas, you know we need a singer. You interested? I say, yeah. What you mean? Come in and do nothing here now. So me and him, well really, Barky main reason for that, you know, he did want some songs that have substance.
Yes.
And him know about my prowess. So, him come with that as a disguise. But me not beat him on it because me did benefit from it.
Yes.
You understand? Yeah. So we do some collab for Jammies, for Banky, for a brother named Soulji, for Big Ship Studios. Yeah. Me not ask me the song them, I'm not quite remember them.
Quite remember them, yes.
Yeah.
So then now, so the Worm Dem is Doolas, Wickerman, Captain Barky.
Barky, yeah.
And so that was about when, 96?
Yeah. I would do 97 Sting.
Oh, you did 90 as Worm Dem?
Yes. At a stadium, you remember that?
No, then time I was like,
When GT Taylor error and call up Merciless as Bounty Killer. You know remember
I hear
that?
about it, but then
Yeah.
time
Busta
youth
Rhymes
like.
did work on that show there. Yeah, Busta Rhymes.
that was a good experience.
Yeah, man.
Let me ask you a next question. Me say that a lot. Your Scare Dem experience or your Worm Dem experience, which one is more valuable to you? Which one you cherish the most?
the same, you know. The same. Would I put them on the same level because I learn a lot being around Scare Dem. I learn how to value friendship and teamwork. Monetarily speaking now, I earn more
With Worm Dem.
with Worm Dem. You understand?
Yes.
Yeah.
Captain Barkey would have met a very, very unfortunate, tragic end to his life and his career. When he died, you guys were still friends, like good friends?
Yeah, although the worm, it did
The Worm Dem thing did kind of
pull out.
Yeah.
Pull out. Yeah.
You remember how you felt at the time when you hear the news say,
Yeah, man, I'm shook. Tell you, brother, I feel a way about it because Barkey, as a soldier, as an ex-soldier, he was a soldier, you know. Him should have been more vigilant, you see me? Him should have been more careful. Him
Drop him guard.
Yes. Yes, definitely.
so you knew about the situation that led to his death before? So you
yeah,
never,
because I kind of did see it. Me see it coming, but
Yeah.
never expect it to be that tragic, you know?
Yeah.
I did think, say, boy, them would have fight. Him and the brother would have fight about it, and some cut-off point would have did it with him and the girl. Me never know, say, boy, are the ultimate.
So you never talk to him and say, brother, that's
yeah,
something
me
I
talk
really
to him
wise.
once. Me talk to him once about it, but being as though one of my business, me not really go in depth. You see me? And me is a youngster for Barkey. You understand? So me not think him would have hold my advice valuable. You know?
Sad still.
Yeah, very.
And yeah, we got good said way.
Yeah, man. Me see him every now and then. You see me?
The Scare Dem thing, the Worm Dem thing, those things kind of, you know, played out and served their time and their purpose. But you are still around and you have been able to maintain your presence in the space, still recording solo, working with other acts, but primarily working with Bounty Killer.
Yeah.
What has that journey been like though?
All right. John is an integral part of that.
Yes.
When me feel like, so boy, the music I got change to my dislike, I say, no. I want to do Doolas, your voice fresh and young, same way I want to you. All you need to do, I just build song. Because you as a youth, you know, really stay in a one vein. You know, and I say, okay, all right. I believe you. I believe what you say. Him give me a rhythm name, G-string. And so I write a song for Killer Fee.
Good rhythm that.
I write the song for Killer. When Killer forward at the studio, Killer do the song. Without me, you know?
Yeah?
Yeah, because I saw me write the song.
Oh, okay.
Without me. And by listening to the song, Killer said, but Doolas, that song is too bad for you now, youth. No, man, you have to unite, man. Find something, sing. Find something, sing in the song. So I just, wow, fat punani, I bed tonight. Me come for run the Gucci red tonight. Wait till me hold you now me bed tonight. Me not lose no bedroom fight.
Who no listen to that part?
That's how the song start originally.
Yes.
Who no listen to the part, yeah. We no long talker.
Woman boss
By
it
listening to him,
charter.
say, Doolas, you have to inner the song. So I saw that song that did forward. And then after that now, Dan Carleone and some other producers start. Say, you know, Doolas, very a long time your body now out. Never read him. Dan Carleone call me up at the studio, listen to the rhythm. I'm gonna find something same time. I not force no girl, forgive me none, the way I talk. Cop come lock me down, but me up with gun, fling me back a jail wall. If the coochie no run after reasoning done, then me not feel small. Who the hell going come and bail Miss Dougie's son after one phone call? And then Killer part. Doolas make them turn, cause when them plan fi seek attention. You see me?
Yes.
Quick, me write the song.
Quick, two big songs that in a row, brother.
Yeah, brother. And then Birch now, getting at this thing too, and say, my rhythm, sexy lady rhythm. Remember that rhythm there? Yeah. Now that the workday is through, there's a few things that I like to do. So girl, take a long bath and feel new and prepare for what's coming to you. Ooh, ice the Alizé, turn your lingerie. I'm a few blocks away. I've got you, Mary J. Those sexy things you say, etc.
Yes. One more banger.
Yeah, man.
You and Killer have a different type of chemistry.
Yeah.
I read somewhere, maybe we do some research, you think, you and Killer have over 20
True.
songs recorded. There's a lot of songs between two artists where it's not officially a duo.
Yeah, for real.
In all of that though, Doolas, you never sit down and meds and say, yes, you know Rodney a general, we can't go around that. But you never ever sit down and say, you want some more out of that something here from a musical perspective. Whether you want to make some more money or you want to get yourself out there further, or you're okay with the role that you have played along the journey.
It should have been like that. I should have been more forceful. But as me tell you before, how me grow, me satisfy easily. You see me? And that never worked for me. You understand? Because financially, me should have gained more. Much, much more. And when me meet up with Junior Gang, them at the same thing, them they tell me, said, you know, so you underachieve youth. Yeah, you should have a house on the mansion to how much work me here so you doing at the business. You should have a house on the hill already. You see me? And by the way,
we soon come to Junior Gang thing, man.
Okay.
Story.
Right.
We don't want to go on this. Yeah?
Yeah.
It is also well documented that when Killer is performing on stage to a backing band, you are...
I mean, start as something a stage show thing, you know.
In a real life?
Yes, the first DJ for ever have a support act and a backup.
Yeah.
For have a support act. Angel Doolas. In the shadows, I do him thing. Because me did see what missing out of most of the DJ them when them perform live. Them need to catch them breath because them are exhausted.
Feel like that
Only by energy them put out just to lift the crowd. So them are gonna need to catch them breath. So you see the rhyme word them, somebody need to fill in. That's them catch them breath and make the show just look good. So that's the idea of the band. I mean I say, my DJ, me not make that happen to him, you know. Me I gotta be the support act.
So Doolas a pioneer around here.
Yeah, and then I see some other DJs that you support act
naturally
as well.
people replicate good
know?
things.
But there's something that start naturally from studio yard. You see me? When Killer do the dub them, everybody like a chorus. I do the rhyme word them. Me big gun, scare him. The whole yard that's a scare him. From guy feed dead, me no go near him. You see me? So I saw that did really come about. I mean I said, no, but on a studio yard alone this will happen. This will happen on the show them too. You see me? So when Killer got this thing them, the some fest them and them way there, I always want a microphone for myself. And it worked, you know?
So it's an official thing.
Yeah, bro.
So when Killer have a stage show where a band, a Killer and Doolas.
Yeah, I always have to get my message. I say, yo, rehearsal time at XYZ. You see me? And some of the time I meet with the rehearsal. Him not dead. Yeah. You know, and it's a good...
All the singers in the business do Doolas. Why did Bounty Killer choose Angel Doolas? So it started out fine, but
Still
then
yeah,
options did it.
Yeah,
but
but
why has he stuck with
the
Doolas?
chemistry. The chemistry, because light as my voice is, you know, I can imitate Killer to a point, you know.
Yes.
Ha! No mercy. Good morning, woman. You see me? Connect. Them way there. So when them they are feeling in the show, them if you pull up a YouTube show with Killer recent, you hear me I do them feelings there, you know. And my voice I do them, you know. Ow! Yeah. Okay. That's right. And my voice I do them. It will sound like a him.
Yes.
You see me?
I don't want to get too deep in your business to let do that, but does that pay well enough to sustain the lifestyle of Angel Doolas?
my lifestyle quiet, you know. Teach them what you do to me.
Yeah.
Not flashy.
You're not flashy.
No, brother.
You give
Me not
thanks.
flashy. Me don't even like when my brand too loud. You see, if me wear a brand, me don't want it too big for my shirt. You understand? If it's small, you see me? Because there's more value to life than brand and them things there, you know. Hype is something where you're not born with. Everybody born with just life. Hype is something where you have to prepare for and take it on and mine it. You understand? Yeah,
That
you have to
deep,
take
brother,
care of
brother.
hype. Hype
Very
don't
deep.
take care of you. Yeah, you have to take care of hype.
Mad thing. Yeah, the general take on street. Where are some of the places that you have gone outside of Jamaica to work with Killer Door?
Canada, England, the Caribbean, America, of course, Europe.
So all about where Killer go.
Yeah, man,
You did it.
from a major thing, man, Doolas I got there.
Yes. How has it been for you to do Doolas, seeing that a lot of stage shows not keeping because of the pandemic, and you know that if Killer is out there working, Doolas at work, how have you been able to adjust and adapt to the situation?
Unfortunately, it beat the world. This pandemic. It beat the world.
Yeah.
But we have to adjust and readjust, as you say, and try and make ends meet nevertheless, because life goes on, bro. You see me? So when Killer get the online show them to do, him still call me.
Give thanks.
You see me? I'm still got my bread.
Mad.
You see me? Yeah, man. I have to big up the general, man, every time.
Yes. Yeah.
Not only for help who around him, but people from wide and far.
Yes.
You know?
So I'm gonna mention some song and you give me your part in them song there. See? Yeah, and Killer have song like Pum Pum.
Yeah.
How your part of that go?
Boom, 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 boom. How that song they go again?
So you catch back that later.
Yeah,
Not
yeah.
me.
Not me, not you, not I. No, me not go pretend with no funny guy. Straight rat-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta, boom, bang, bye. Gunshot fi fog multiply. I, not me, not you, not I. No, me not go pretend with no funny guy. Straight rat-ta-ta-ta-ta-ta, boom, bang, bye. Gunshot fi them multiply.
Man, not scared enough.
Alright, not scared enough. You're not scared enough, that's fair enough. Me turn them on and I'm burning up. Hot like a fire blazing up. This kind of girl is mysterious. The more she to get serious. She's flaming up, she's burning up. Me I gotta tear you up.
You wrote those songs?
Yeah,
All the songs that we mentioned so far are Doolas right there.
yeah.
You mentioned one of Killer greatest songs. Book.
Yeah.
You sit down and you write that
In a 5 minutes.
in a 5 minutes.
Yeah, because it's like the rhythm. I listen to the rhythm a little bit, you know. Jazzwad and John in the studio. Me there in the studio too. Because John, I one thing with him. He believe in my talent so much that anytime if I even a rhythm in my bill, he might call me. I will sit in the session. So, you know, Jazzwad upon him drum set and he might key up him thing them and him start find the pattern. And right away, that alone, my first thing will come to my brain is boop, boop, boop. Like B-O-O-P.
Yeah, man.
Boop, boop, boop. And I start put melody to it. And then I say, hold on. Boop, boop, boop. Pressure on no book. Literate and foolish. My turn a crook. Never get no work. Cause your teeth like a puss. And I start vibe a youth to live in the community at Waterhouse. Yeah, because I saw most of my songs them building up. I have to vibe a situation or somebody. The lyrics flow easier that way there. You see me? Yeah, him no go school. When everybody gone to school, him as a little youth was shoulda in a school and roam the street. So him a pre because he was my neighbor. You understand? And I feel sorry for him away. Because he don't know what he do to himself yet. Because he get him lunch money, you know. But him don't go school. You understand? So that really did inspire that song there.
And when you wrote the song, Were you writing the song for yourself at the time,
Yeah.
or you were writing with
Yeah.
Killer in mind? You was
No.
writing it for yourself.
Yeah, me that write it for myself.
So why did you not voice the song?
Now, when I finish build the song now, I realize too much of it in this DJ hardcore sound.
Yes.
So I say, you know, so my voice not gonna deliver this. And I not change it to suit my voice. I'm gonna give it away. And I myself, I say, who me forget this now? Bounty, Muscular, can't nobody else. When me bring it to Killer, Killer refuse it to the. Killer say, where you do? A bad man thing. What? Bridget, you tell people they feed idiot. And then they go take me for idiot. And John,
Convincing.
yeah, and John said, we are do. And this you forgive them not expect it. I saw him do the song. And see,
Classic.
so said, so done.
Yes. Which other youth song for Killer Doolas pen?
As what I said, the fitness.
When I talk about the songs and when
Oh,
you
the
and
colour
Killer
them.
depend, right? Just a song where him alone
Alright.
do.
Yeah, one next one here, Mama Not in a Good Mood. And my
Mama,
mother
she
that.
is not in a good mood.
Yeah, and my mother me write that off. Mother come home one day hungry and we cook, you know. The youth them cook, you know,
yes.
and I left none for my mother, you know. All she come see now one kitchen load of dirty plate, you know. So she just lift up her figure and fling it off of me. Because I'm me alone there at the yard when she arrived. Everybody else gonna play with them brethren. You see me? Fling it off of me and I have to duck it. Figure pound out in the wall. So I go do what I do, wash up the plate them and thing, and then I go outside, sit down under the ackee tree, and I start pray. Mama, she's not in a good mood. The basket in the kitchen running out of food, yeah. Papa can't find no excuse. Him drink out the money, gamble and lose. Mama can't find the next dime. I know say, Killer father blame him. Say him a sing about him, say him a gamble and lose. And him not give nothing to the household and rare. But I pity him never know. And me have to see Breezer. A Raytown, I see him at a Raytown party and said, no man, I give it to your son and me write the song. And my father and mother me I talk about. Him just deliver it.
Yes.
I saw him calm down. I say, for real? Alright, you from your so.
Yes.
From your so, it goes so. Ah, why me check say on me? Hey. Alright, you're great. You're great. Yeah.
Any other big song you can remember off at the top of your head where?
Not really. I
Not
just
really.
from 1 and 2 lines in some of the other songs. Then I
Alright.
fed up.
We
and
soon come
them
back
song
to the call up Zudia and Killer Zane. But what you know though, you made mention before that you prefer to write than to voice.
there. Yeah.
Who are some of the people in the business that you have written for?
Alright. You have people like Alton Ellis. I don't remember the song.
You wrote for Alton.
Yes. Jammies put me in one session already with Alton. I do an album for Jammies. And you know, I pen out a song for him. I don't remember the song, because I don't hear it.
Oh, in a really proper, okay.
Yeah, I don't hear the song. I don't know if it did release,
Yes.
but I don't hear the song.
Who else you write for?
Lady Star, Lady G, DeMarco. Yeah. This is for my falling soldiers. We miss you. My song.
You wrote that?
I wrote that. And my story. The only 2 lines DeMarco find in another song there is this is for my falling soldier. We miss you. Full stop. Everything else, other factory. Yeah. And him not mention I mean, and none of them video, none of them interview them. But big up yourself still, DeMarco. Everything alright.
So you get publishing for that?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, after a while.
After a while.
Yeah. Can they call me one at a time and say, he might release the song and he might give me XYZ percentage. I never agree with it because 9% wasn't sufficient. No. I better and split it even. But it go up to 17, I'm satisfied.
Give thanks. Massive song, brother.
Yeah, man, I hit bust them Marco, man. I hit bust him. Fallen soldier. And my story, no, brother. My story, brother. My
So
story.
who jump out while you write that song there?
I want to tell you, say, my brother. I want to tell you, say, it's a song where
Shatta kind of low though.
my bill from when my brother just passed off in a 93. I did build a song. Not the fallen soldier part, you know, but something to do with pass away and thing. And I scrap the song cause when me hear the marker in the session I say, this is for my falling soldiers, we miss you. And him just stop right there so. Me the thing say it's a full song him have. So I say, Marco, what that? Sing out the song, man. And the man said, Doolas, I just that alone, you know. Furthermore, I not sing about not dead, I'm in a boss yet. Mr. Bridging, as so life is real, so too is death. You can't run from reality, Bridging.
Yeah.
That's why you hear that part at the end of the song too, you know. Life is so real. Yeah, because him me a talk to when we said that part there.
Ah. Any other big song out there where? Any other artists where you write for?
Yeah,
and why
as
you think
tell
about it? Let me ask you a question. Because I interview many people, and the people who write for others are afraid to say, I write for the artist.
Yeah,
why?
because the terminology is ghostwriter.
So you're not supposed to be known?
Yeah, but me not like the name, me not like the term ghost writer. The only ghost me accept are the ghost the artist. Me accept that. You understand? Ghost, the singer.
Yes,
but ghost
no
writer,
other
me not
ghost.
like how it sound. Me not like how it sound. Which ghost writer? Me not dead.
So you're not afraid to say, yo, I'm me write that song there?
Why should I be? I mean, if you as the performer or the recording artist don't make mention of my work, me I go say it myself when my chance arrive. You see me?
I have been wanting to ask this question, you know. Like how you spend, you spend a lot of your time writing for people though, right? Is there normally a contract in place for say, when me done write the song, this is it, or you write a song for your man because of probably your bridging and you expect certain things to flow?
Alright, most of the time
The bridging settings.
Yeah, most of the time. So that's why I get a beating where that is concerned. But there were times when you have a thing named split sheet or credit sheet where everybody come to an agreement who forget what percentage. You know, everybody were involved in the whole product.
Yes.
You know, we come to an agreement, say 25%, 25, etc., etc., you know?
Yes.
Yeah.
It is well documented that you were also a writer on one of Damien Junior Gang's album that won the Grammy, Stony Hill. How that link that combo though before even the whole writing thing?
Alright. At the first cruise, Jamrock. Welcome to Jamrock Cruise. Baby G see me on one of the deck them and say, you know, say, gang want see you. I say, hey, for what? I say, oh, you mean for what? You're not writer. Them man they not play bridging. A serious business them man they do. Forward. So, you know, we go link up on the ship and him tell me where I'm up to, you know, where I deal with and things. So we fly out February and fly me out to Florida. And we're there at the studio for about 3 weeks. Knock out them songs, you know. Co-written going on. Yeah,
all the songs?
No, not all of them. Alright, like medication. Yeah. That's one of them. About half dozen or 7.
On the album?
Yeah. But as me I tell you, me is a man, I not try to remember things like that. So, you know, it would have taken me some effort to really remember the title of the songs. Then.
So Doolas is a Grammy award winning
yeah, man,
writer.
if you check my IG, you see my certificate, man. The Grammy send come give me.
Greatness, brother.
Yeah, man, I feel good.
all in your finest moments, you're still humble, brother.
Yes,
I respect
but
that.
I know it no other way, Brethren. I swear to you. I'm a man, I like the hype thing, you know. I like when people hype. You see me? Because you're born without hype, Brethren. You're born without it. You can't live without it.
Yes.
Like, seriously?
Back to the recording. You killer Kochi, our song, Go Away.
Yeah.
How that song they come about though? Are you write that too?
Yeah.
Cause you look like you write two like song, brother.
All right. a little violence did crop up in our house. Beans Road man them and capture man them. Beans Road man them make some advance down a capture and knock up some grains for some youth and get where. Cause everybody have them machinery. Them get where. Blood a run down at one part down so. Now one of the man them from capture, him did so bitter. So the man them get where. That's him just start take it out from innocent people. You understand? So him forward at the studio. I mean I know, him just choose to just pick on me. You see me? Start intimidate me big time and say, yo, you think me a bad man? Me a terrorist. Cause a brother over one fence, I tell him, say, yo, Lord, the little artist na virgin, you know, say artist that. Bad man, Lord, the artist na man. And I say, yo, go and go sit down to you, my youth, and love me, you know. You think me a bad man? Me a terrorist. Boy, if you pay Joes, me no response. Boy, if you pay Joes, and you say you're so buff off, so big old sitting, tear off him waist. Yeah. So, I said, John, I wonder if the brother know who me is. I wonder if him don't know, so right now me I pray a song. You see me? So I said, running up your beak, say you're on the street. When me check it out, you don't even brush your teeth. Song. Done. Easily, because it's a real life situation. Me just have meds and just think about rhyme. Song done. When Killer hear what we have, him just put in film part.
Many of your songs are real life stories.
Yeah, man. And it work better that way there because people can relate. Easier that way there. When you sing about too much fantasy, you know, people will just say, it sound good. But check the song 3, 4, 5 years after. Them not pay that no mind again because it was only fantasy. You see me?
Yes. You and Black Mice also have a song together.
Alright. How that song they make, you know? Those days, as when me tell you, say Captain Midnight came to the studio, you must say, I'm going to need some dub songs. So me have say, alright, dig in a grave and, you know what I mean? I just pray, say, dig in a grave for me, you never know you was digging one for yourself. Intending to bury my sound, you'll end up burying someone else. You see me?
Yes.
And Black Mice did that film for a long time. I'm just saying, other part them more.
Okay, cool one.
Yeah.
Big tune again.
Yeah, man.
I'm assuming you do a lot of dub plates with that tune.
Yes, man. And Midnight, we did really create the opportunity there.
Yes.
Because people did respect Midnight, you know. Super Saint, and make Super Saint rise. Big up yourself, Captain Midnight, anywhere you're there in the world.
You have also had songs with Mr. Lex and, well, it was Future Troubles at the time, now Future Fambo.
Yeah.
How that song come about?
I don't remember some of them songs. I swear to you.
Yeah. But you know the song we are talking about?
Quite a few me and him do. But if for the money song you talk, the money song, the money song.
So a song was a video where we have some girl in the back of one truck and because I'm not title for
John Chap was the production. Either. Oh, you know what? Everybody do them own song and them just do the video in that choppy way there.
Oh.
Yeah, the video it was the collab, but not the songs. Everybody's song was a full song. Me, Elephant, Zoom J, Lexus, Future Troubles. Say them hot girl, but them don't know what this mean. Say them a top girl, them don't know the top this mean. Yeah, it was a full song, bro. Everybody's song was a full song, but when them decide to say a video, then they say, alright, make the video look like a collab.
Yes. We have mentioned some of the songs from the 90s, 2000s, but Doolas is still in the studio recording.
Still active, bruv.
Yes.
Right now, as you might know, Vent, the album Vent, 16 hits on that album there. 16
and whose album
hits.
Is that?
The Great Dexter Daps, of course.
And you wrote some of those songs or you helped?
Yeah.
So you co-wrote some of the songs?
Yeah. Vent, now this number 16 track, Lift My Hands, and me and him. I lift my hands to you. You deserve all the glory. When I don't know what to do, you find a way to show me. All our credit goes to you. You alone know my story. I lift my hands to you. Yeah.
Apart from the work that you're doing with Dexter Daps and you know that is a whole CV link up and thing, what have you done as a solo artist recently? Anything out there?
Yeah, man. All right. You have a studio in the scheme named Deadly Beats. Over this side.
Yes.
You have a next one over my side, which is Phase 2, named ERC Records, Early Rise Champion. Big up yourself, Video Face. Might hear about Video Face.
I see him think on YouTube.
Yeah.
So he operates a studio?
Yes, man.
Okay, cool.
Yeah, man. Since recently.
So ERC record, that is... Oh.
Yeah.
You live and learn. You live and learn. So you do some work there and you do some work.
Yeah, then I release it.
Then I release it.
So, you know, but you can look out for them. And the song name, Bank Book of Beast, Money Green Like Leaf. Work hard for everything when I want in a life, and I'm not on thief. So, I will call the police. If you want war, me have a peace. For your info, my badness, buck like bull cow. You don't want beef. Money talk, I just source of saliva. Me want live lavish, not just survival. Brick for every one of my gal. Money breeze flow and blow like a tidal. Money disease, listen to sneeze.
Voice already?
Yeah, man.
Out the road?
Yeah. No, it's not released yet.
Yeah, not released yet.
Yeah, me have a next time, I say. Me's a humble man, me no look trouble. If trouble come, then I double trouble. Watch you dig you on a grave with you on a shovel. You shouldn't go fi gun, me never do you nothing. Me's a humble man, me no look trouble. But if trouble come, then I double trouble. Watch you dig you on a grave with you on a shovel. You shouldn't go fi gun, me never do you nothing, boy. I better you than me. Car not fly yet and me want see it. Whoa. Everybody is on TV. Me want dip on it like Winfrey. Boy. Want see me young sons grow up like me. Breed them woman, give me grand picnic then. Where the can go with R.I.P. gone too soon. Now fit me. See, me's a humble man. Me no look trouble. But if trouble come, a double trouble.
Mad. Has there been any point, Doolas, so you sit down and look on the thing and you probably not feel the love what you think you deserve? Financially, you probably not get the amount of money you think you're worth. Has there been any time where you feel like you then just give up this music thing and walk away?
Even if I give it up, it now give me up. You over something I say? Alright, let me explain what I mean. You see, there are times when I get discouraged. And I say, I think about doing something else. And then I get a call to go to a studio to help with something. Write song, give ideas, etc. So even if me say I'm done with it, it's not done with me. Because I'm not going to tell them no, you know.
Yes.
No, brother. What me I say no for?
Work, yeah, work.
Yeah, bruv. Yeah, brother.
You mentioned some places that you have been with the killer, yeah? Where is your favorite place to perform?
You know, I'm still Nicaragua though.
Still Nicaragua, the first trip there.
Man. Yeah, man, then give me a power surge over that bridge, may I tell you. Power surge.
You remember the biggest crowd ever walk on a stage and see, brother?
Yeah, you know.
Which part that did there?
A place named Giel, Belgium.
Yes.
Yeah, man.
You went there with the killer or?
Yeah, man. I couldn't see the back of the crowd. My vantage point did need more to see the back of the crowd. Far. Some white rasta in the crowd with them hookah and them chalice.
Yeah.
All through the performances, them just a smoke and just a enjoy themselves and just a bounce to every act we perform, from Marcia Griffiths to Cutty Ranks You know what I mean? Killer. Yeah, brother.
Is there any
Biggest
place
crowd.
where you never go work yet, where you hope for go work someday?
Africa.
Africa. Any particular part of Africa, you just want to go Africa?
The entire Africa.
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
Take out, man.
Yeah, I listen to the African them sing with soul, deep soul. I could have listened to them sing all a cappella without rhythm, cause the soul. You see the soul. If you not sing with soul, you know, you go fade, you know.
Yes.
Your song I go just hot for a season and then it not bother hot again. But when you sing with soul, it live on. That's why Aretha Franklin them will always live on, all when them pass.
Yes.
Teddy P them. You know what I mean? Them people, the Luther Vandross them. But them sing with soul, you know what I mean? Millie Jackson.
Of all the songs that you're on vocally, which one of them songs are your favorite song?
Vocally.
Yes.
Well, that's I lift my hands, you know.
That's the
The
song on
Dexter
Vent.
Yeah.
Why though?
Because that song there, and right now if I can't drop my short sleeve, you will see it.
Ghost Bob.
Yeah. When I sing that song there, goes pimper, bruv. Every time. If me even listen to the song and not sing, goose pimple, same way.
What's your favorite song where you write, where I know you sing?
Would I say a book, you know? Reason being, him never want to fight it. You see me? So
Yeah.
some victory there behind that. You see it? Because in the initial stage, him never want to vice the song because through a bad man thing, him that one with them time there. In a bad song, bad man song, him never really believe in that different
Yes.
topic there. And then, you know, surprisingly, me see him forward and say, Doolas, what the song? Ready? You see me? So,
Yeah.
you know,
Which song is your favorite song of all times? That song there, the song where you listen the most when you not listen to your work or something where you involved in.
you mean outside of what me do?
Yeah, man.
Child of the universe.
Who sing?
You are a child of the universe, no less than the trees and the stars. You have a right to be here. You have a right.
Why that song that means so much to you?
That's the best song ever written.
Just like that.
Yeah, subscribers, I'm not gonna listen to that song there. Yeah? Go and listen to that song, Child of the Universe.
Tell them who singing.
I don't remember.
Oh, okay. But Child of the Universe at the
Yeah,
song.
yeah,
When it's
yeah,
every
Child
12 o'clock it play upon
Mellow FM.
Mellow FM. Yeah. What your favorite killer?
Favorite killer? Poor people fed up.
Tell me why.
Just a delivery.
Just a delivery.
Yeah.
Oh, me think
You believe him right away. So poor people really fed up.
to the system check out.
Yeah, and poor people now gonna stop fed up because we are always poor, brother. You always have poor people, and them are gonna always have issues,
Yes.
and them always are gonna fed up.
Yes. What the baddest DJ you ever seen a dancer?
This is none other than the big bad mighty bounty killer. You expect me to say somebody
Yeah,
else?
hold on, man. Yeah, tell
Oh,
me that.
come on now.
Let me answer your question, Doolas. Yeah, tell me that because of the link between you and Killer.
No.
Yeah, tell me that because Killer is baddest DJ.
Bodies. Bodies.
Yeah.
Me not compromise.
Simple.
Simple.
But that's ask the question them still. I don't disagree with them and at all
Listen me.
still.
When Killer stand up here, so, and say I'm going to do a cappella, you hear the bass a come out and voice a beat your chest, you know. When them say, huh, no mercy, you hear the vibration a go through you. Tell me if that not bad.
What is Angel Doolas' greatest achievement as a musician thus far along his journey as an artist?
As an artist, I want to see that Grammy certificate that reach me hard. Yeah. As me tell you people, me easily satisfied. So don't think say you're not gonna expect me to talk about money and car and then something there. No. accolades. And so far, so good.
Is there
Give
any
thanks for Junior Gang and Steve Marley, the Marley brothers, yeah.
Is there anything musically where you not achieve yet that you still hope to achieve?
Yeah. I mean, not really. They're at the forefront. I'm a brain now, but I mean, if I should have think deeply about it, there must be things where, yeah, I mean, me not achieve yet. For example, as you might know, everybody needs bread, yeah, I mean,
Yes.
everybody needs them things. I have a family, I have to take care of people too. So, monetarily speaking, would I want to achieve more in other fields there. But musically speaking, would I want to do some collab with some great people.
You know, that was going to be the next question. That was going to be the next question. Oh, you know, work with it in the business, we get love for going to the studio, go do some work with.
All right. You have quite a few, you know. I do collab with Cartel already.
Which cartel that?
Give me the test, make me icky the breast, make the man with the deal with the best.
You there, pan?
Yeah.
You know that,
Jacking
bro?
up your laugh. And my voice, I do that, you know.
Big man thing.
Jacking up your soft. Yeah, brother. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
You write the song?
No. Him tell me what to say.
Him tell you what he said.
Yeah.
So how that link that come board though?
I go to the studio for do for two dub for a song up Mona Renaissance then. Cartel already there at the studio. Him a record the song. Him did have problem for carry them note there. Him go, oh, girl good. But him half key when him go, Jackie no fi laugh. So me I hear the note in my head. And I say, DJ, go so. And I give him the note, but him still miss. And him say, Doolas, I go do them part there. I saw it happen.
Me never know that, brother. Me be
Yeah,
honest with you.
Yeah, man.
Big old man thing. Yeah, anybody else? Like I say, cartel outside, so who now you want to do some work with?
You know, but I love for voice with Master Griffiths, believe it or not.
Yeah.
Master Griffiths.
Me I hear that in my head already,
Me
brother.
love Master.
So why that not yet though? Because Marcia is a lady we work with
And she rutical.
many artists in the
Yes,
business, whether
me know.
established
We just
or
not
young.
meet. We just not meet on the levels there yet where she have time for hear me out.
Yes.
And me might have the time for pencil out a thing with for me and her. You see me? Otherwise from that, I want to do some songs with some African artists.
Yeah. You like the African
All about in Africa, yeah.
type of music, I realize that.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. I heard you said earlier that there are times when you have contemplated doing other things because you get discouraged. If it wasn't music, what would be that one thing that Angel Doolas would do to put some food on his family table?
All right, you know, sir, I pass art with distinction. Yeah, I can paint, I can do sculpting, any scenery, you give me still life scenery, portrait, anything abstract, I can do that. Sign, I can do signs, I can write up a sign. Like how you said, right, that's a joke that to me. Joke that for me, I tell you. Wicked, I'm good in that.
Yeah? Go on do some
I
work
can do
with
a
the music,
portrait.
man.
I can do a portrait
Yeah.
with you. And you just said, Jano, I made this now. Yeah, man.
You have anything on file that you have done, like pictures and stuff?
Well, at that now, see, you see through social media and the thing just come in late. All of them things they just,
Gone through the
yeah,
gate?
yeah. And me not do no works for a good while now in that sense. Like.
Yes.
Through the music just have me. The music have me time.
Yes.
All of my effort channeling at the music, so, you know.
Has there been any time in your musical journey, Doolas, where you and any other entertainer have had any form of feud, disagreement, scuffle, tussle?
Yeah, bro. As I tell you, way back in a Scare Dem days. Me did forget foreign the first time when Toddler them fly out, Toddler Coachy, Dynamite and Ellie. Me did for dep on it too, you know. But as me get to find out later, cause the rest of man them tell me say, you know, say Ellie caused this to not happen. Cause him say Ray and Tete and Soldier One, big up yourself. Bermuda, big up yourself. Yeah.
So you really go at it.
As him reach a studio, them fly in. As him reach a studio and see me, him start mock and jeer. And me did done have it a boil up in my brain already. Say, the brother here, if him ever cross me, man him gonna have it out. And we nearly fight. I just the man them just. And all through that him a laugh same way. I want to do last I get mad. I want to use balance man. I know you this. You cool man. You cool. Coach it. Give me your fame.
Looking at the journey, Doolas, is there anything that you would do differently if you get the chance to redo that musical journey?
What would I do differently is
Yes.
approach it differently. Wouldn't be so laid back. Wouldn't be so easy going. Wouldn't be so satisfying. Because I learn through the passage of time, say, the satisfaction level is too low. Should have put me, you know what I mean? The barriers high. That's me not easily satisfied. A man can easily take away my credit and me just love it. Because I only part that I got through.
Normally when me interview the artists, especially artists from back in the days, right? There's generally a theme that comes out where entertainers would have struggled earning from their own work. How are things for you republishing?
All right, regarding publishing, it's a catch on, you know. It's catching on because I sign publishing and I see my checks them coming.
Royalty statement them are forward
yeah.
in.
And I even can afford to tell them, say, hold on pan a little much there. Don't send that yet.
Yeah.
Go and bill. Yeah, brother, I'm a pension, you know.
Yeah.
So I'm have to think about the future. As
Hold
well
it
when-
and lock it off, man.
No.
No?
I'm not good for lock off my money, you know.
Yeah.
When me see my money,
You
I
will
want to
deal with
spend it. Me have problems suddenly. Me have problems to solve. Me youth them I go shout me and say, Daddy, help me out with that something. And I'm going to give them. Me not going to say no. Me not have that no something there. You understand?
Speaking about you, so many?
7.
7. And all of them good?
All of them good.
Ever been married?
Me?
Yeah.
Yeah. To
Yeah.
music.
To music. Ever plan to get married to a female, sir?
Yes, but I'm afraid of that something there. Because I try after it already and it missed.
You don't want a trickster?
Yeah, and another that alone. Commitment take a whole heap of discipline in a brother. And even you will set standards for yourself, and when you fall below that standard, you will beat yourself. You see me? And then there's another thing about it. You committed, and then the other person is not so committed. Devious, defiant, tricky. Play the innocent.
Yes.
You see me?
Is there a song that Angel Doolas has recorded where not feel get the justice where it deserve? Where if the people them would hear that song there, the song would then be a bigger song?
A whole heap of them.
Namely?
Some of them, I forget about them, brother.
Give me one where you remember.
Trickster. Even though I hit Senegal, Nicaragua. You see me? And then the follow-up for Trickster, Better Girl. This girl a trickster. Big time trickster. I hope this register to you and your sister. You can't tell me for fool. Fool, you can't tell me for fool. I see the look in your eyes. Big time trickster. Watch her now. Watch me a laugh when the joke make. Never know me the joke take. Man, I drop you off on my doorstep. Wear my bracelet, wear your anklet. Think me wouldn't find out, though. Think me wouldn't know about you. Everywhere you hide out, go. There's nothing that a phone won't do. Now I found a better girl than you. A baby. You depend on a date, take a holiday too. Yeah. It name better girl, yeah?
All the songs though that you are a part of, Doolas. I know some of the songs are on YouTube, but where else can people find the work?
Well, I'm mostly the YouTube.
So no iTunes,
But
no
you can go
Spotify,
iTunes.
no.
Yeah, you can go all of the online markets them and search for the title them. You will find them. Yeah.
You are an artist who hails from the old school, 90s,
Yeah.
the real university stages of the music. The music would have evolved over the years. You know,
Yeah.
with anything,
Ever
there's
evolving.
evolution, right? Is there anything about the music presently that in your head you don't like?
Yeah. The trap. Me don't even like the word trap.
Yeah.
That not sound good in my ears. Trap? How come when music name trap now? That not sound good. That sound like you get inbox, like you get bracketed.
You box
Yeah.
yourself in or something.
Yeah. Limitations there, so. Find it name trap. You see me? More I hear drum and bass, because that are the root, that are the vertebrae
And
of our
dancehall.
music. Drum and bass, reggae and dancehall, drum and bass. And I hit the people them far and wide want.
Yes.
Believe me, when them hear the trap, them gonna say somebody else product this. And ironically, hip hop born out of dancehall. So we are turn, we are make a U-turn, the virgin.
Is there any advice, or do you have any advice for young artists out there who probably have been putting in the work, but them now get the love and the recognition what them deserve, and them feel like them want to give up?
Don't get discouraged. Yeah, and as you talk about that, remember willful, skillful, Dino G, Macronym, Night Owl, them youth there. And you don't get discouraged. G Daddy, and keep it up, keep going. Yeah,
The interview is being shot in Seaview, your place.
yes.
One of the things where artists tend to do when them get a break and start make some money is move out of where them grew up. You're still in Seaview.
Yeah.
Why?
As I say, I'm a youth, I'm a hype still, you know. And I like around people when I know. All right, you have an old saying, stick to the evil where you know.
Yeah.
Because new evil will get rid of you quick, while you can't be able to counteract the evil where you used to. You understand? You know how to brace yourself for your attack,
Yes.
where your mind have a knowings off. So, being in the community for over 30 odd years, me know the best and the worst of it. I'd rather work with that than to go try somewhere new where me don't know how people function. You see me? And not everybody like me in a Seaview, but me can work with it. I'm good. And not everybody hate me like that, so you understand?
Yeah.
So I rather work with it, brethren. I'm a youth where I prefer be amongst people where real. Yeah, I prefer them amongst people who are real. I can sieve out the fake. And even some fake people have some real
Realness to
elements
them.
about them. Where you can work
Nobody
with,
in this
you can
world all
tolerate.
good or all bad, you know. All
Yeah.
we have a look at weaknesses and things.
Yeah, I'm write more songs that way there too.
Cause more inspiration.
Yeah. Yeah, brother.
Is your artist when you write a song for you, you don't love the artist that sing a song when you write?
Quite a few of them.
I name I work with Doolas, man. You know, give me two names, man.
Jay-Z,
Yeah?
Busta Rhymes.
Busta. Jay-Z.
Yeah.
That's so bad.
Them still have gas in them tank.
Still possible.
And Jay-Z, him like our music. Busta also.
Busta living off with music.
Alright.
Makes sense, brother.
Yeah, man.
For the people them out there, Doolas, who haven't seen or heard from you in a long time, I wonder where you're there. You know, in Jamaica, we have this thing when we don't see people pop down and people mash down.
Yeah.
What you have to say about to them people there?
No worry yourself, man. I'm there, man. I'm active same way, man.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Doolas is still in the studio.
Yes.
Still working.
Yeah.
Food is on the
Me
table.
no sleep at night time, if you don't want to know. Me no sleep at night time, as God as my witness. I listen some rhythm, and I find a vibe and an energy. Or me there in the studio. Quarantine or no quarantine.
Still on the work.
Yeah. When the interview is done, I go home, hold a shower, consume some food, and I go put in my earphone in my ears and listen to some beats.
Any message, any words for the fans, the Doolas fans?
Yeah, all of my fans them, I know I'm loyal. I just believe in my talent same way, don't stop. Just subscribe to my channel, yeah? Easy to find, Angel Doolas same way. Just subscribe and you will know everything will go on.
For the people them out there, Doolas, who want to get in touch with you, whether it is for bookings, when bookings possible, writing sessions, dub plates, how do they go about doing that?
876-849-5562.
You repeat?
Simple. 876-849-5562.
You're on social media?
Yeah. Angel Doolas Music. IG that. Angel Doolas Facebook. Yeah. Angel Doolas
So
at
IG and-
gmail.com.
Okay.
Email address.
Pum pum.
Girl, you know you have the tight in between. And your man no use no whipped cream. Grab it up, slap it up. One Maxine, hot girl scream. Good girl from your inner your teen. You no run through no housing scheme. Grab it up, hot girl scream, hot girl scream. With the tight zoom zoom. Wanna make me hear to say yeah. Whoa.
Father Doolas, give thanks to the brother. You know it's a thing here.
Yeah, quarantine.
Yeah, man, it's a joy, brother. And sitting down here, so me get a sense of the man, humility and humbleness. And it is great that despite the fact that you have remained in the shadows, you are still contributing so much to the music. I mean, a lot of the things people will hear and never know, say, Doolas involved in it. And that's one of the reasons why we do these interviews.
True.
So just go and put in the work. You know what thing of when you're the killer.
Yeah,
Nothing
man.
can wrong this. You understand what I say? Give thanks, brother.
Big up yourself.
See?
Teach them, let the message reach them.
Mad thing.
Yeah, you know, I do last time I say, teach them I teach, some little vlogger leech. You hear me? Don't be a bus ride. Make sure you subscribe. Okay? Teach them. Yeah, you know, I do last time I say, this is willful, skillful, introducing to the world. Willful.
People who fail you,
Try know that.
deadly beats. People who fail you, careful when you step in the street.
Or your step.
People who fail you, expect the unexpected
At all times.
And remember, say no one
No more than you.
Why you think the world
Can't stop crime.
Show your own friend we turn around and bad
Mind
mind
you.
you. Doolas, believe in a promise.
You gonna lean on it.
Them no want see my boss.
You gonna lean on it.
Portal the purple beam with the
I beam on it.
Land the jet pan the food, them all you
Mean chronic.
Them no want me spend pound with the green bonnet. Need for the US dollar with the green bonnet. It obvious them envious them from a green planet. Damn it.
I just said a great come from Westmoreland. Real organic and no imitation. Green like grass to make it trick you though. Smoke too hard it will kick you down. Teach them when me bag a weed. Me on go see the hot leaf. When me pack a raw, when me got please. Me can't believe the girl that smoke it already. Hey, me see Babylon I make red. Them have to give me back me high grade. Me cut it up into so many pieces. I swear to God, me love it like me baby. High, 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 high. Smoke like a bomb. High, 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 high. high, high. Cause I'm a motherfucking weed man. Stay high, 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 high. Split feel long. High, 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 high. Why? Cause I'm a motherfucking weed man. Tell a doctor come test me now. See if I know which you find in my blood. No substance cause that a hard drugs. Love me life, me live the life I love. Willful when me bag of weed. Me don't go see the Me love spend money, but me know me have to save it. Save it. Me make sure some me bills sort out from day one. Day one. Me now wait for my birthday, drink, smoke, listen music, press play. Thank God for your next day. Enough praise, me used to sleep on floor. Before me reach pan tour. Enough time hunger kill me. Sleep and snore. My next meal on shore. Sleep on floor. Yeah, before me reach pan tour. Enough time hungry kill me. Me drop asleep and snore. My next meal on shore. Last time me check. Still can fly in a jet. Still can find my bread. Still I make nice. How many of them head them things say them here no nice yet? No, just wait till me find the next hit and the whole stadium I say I hit. I hit song. Bad mind friendship you can't quit. My current now short circuit. Me used to sleep on floor. Before me reach pan tour. Enough time hungry kill me. Me drop asleep and snore. My next meal on shore. Sleep on floor. Yeah, before me reach pan tour. Teach them. Lance the Costa, the CEO, you know. Sharon and wife inside. No, she camera shy, you see me? And all I thugs them there, you see it? Yeah, man. Termite. Bala check.
Teach them know them sin. Hear me no Doolas. No time we bear the loses. Because I'm a son of the music. Mummy feel proud. Me no want you tell me I lose it. Me no
Easy for dominate.
so easily nominate.
Oh, quiet.
Watch it, me elevate.
Easy for dominate.
So
Easily nominate. So.
Teach them. Hey, yo, hello. Send the message and make it reach them. It's Teach Them. Right here. Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them.